guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have created this makeup look using all My Glam makeup product. This is a very beautiful Indian makeup look that you can create when you are just clicking some pictures or you're going out and you're wearing a very beautiful Indian dress. I have also reviewed My Glam makeup products in this video, so yeah, keep on watching. So guys, let's start with the makeup now. So the first thing that I'm going to be using is the My Glam Tinted Perfection Base Primer and Pore Minimizer. This is how it looks like. I actually like this product. I have used this product once for a reel. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, you can just go and follow. Okay, I think the consistency of this product is exactly the same as Smashbox Vitamin C Primer. Like I have the tester of the Smashbox Primer, and जब मैंने इसे पहली बार लगाया था ना, मुझे ऐसा लगा मैंने वही लगाया है. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This is tinted. I'm gonna be taking it. I actually like this primer. Like मैंने first use में मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था ये. This is the second time I'm using the product. So yeah, it actually minimizes your pores. And this is a really good product. मैं कहती हूँ ये ले लो आप. So guys, this product retails for ₹1095 rupees, but My Glam में कुछ ना कुछ डिस्काउंट चलता है, तो आप इसे थोड़े सस्ते में ले सकते हो. So next product, let's move on to the base. This is the most famous product of My Glam. This is the My Glam Total Makeover FF Cream. It's the 5-in-1 primer, concealer, foundation, compact skin tone corrector. So you will get all these products in it. A very hype product in the market. So let's see कैसा है. Yeah, I've used it twice or thrice. Like I've used the corrector so many times, but not the concealer and the foundation a lot. So first I'm going to be taking the corrector. I'm going to be taking it and just dabbing it under my eyes, like my forehead and my lip area. By the way, I like the corrector. I've used it so many times on my YouTube videos. If you are a old follower of mine, you might have seen it on my old videos, because I've used this product so many times like on my channel. So guys, just dab it for a good result. Okay guys, I'm done with the correction. Now I'm going to be using the concealer from the same palette, which is this one. This is like a yellow undertone concealer for brush, and I'm taking the concealer and applying it under my eyes. Wherever I have put on the orange corrector, I'm going to be placing the concealer there. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of this concealer because it's so light coverage. Like I think concealer को थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा coverage होना चाहिए. Like इसका इतना अच्छा coverage नहीं है. By the way, I am in the shade 001 Ivory, I think so. इसमें shade नहीं लिखा है. Wow. Okay, it's in the shade Latte. Sorry, it's in the shade Latte, huh? So can you see it just brighten up your eyes, and that's a plus point of this concealer. Otherwise, I'm not a really big fan of this concealer. I think so Latte is the lightest shade from this whole shade range of this palette. And I think so they should come with more shades, because I don't think they have so many shades for this FF cream. Like they have launched so many new products like 2-3 महीने पहले. तो yeah, they have launched 2 to 3 foundations recently. Yes, 2 या 3 foundation निकाले उन्होंने. लाइक एक तो इस पैलेट में से प्रोडक्ट निकालना इज अ टास्क गाइस, इट्स अ टास्क. Now I'm gonna be just blending it up with a brush because it's a cream product. Cream product brush से ज़्यादा अच्छे से blend होते हैं, better than beauty blenders. So yeah, I'm gonna be using a brush to blend the concealer. Now I'm gonna be using the foundation, which is this one right here. This is the foundation. I'm gonna be taking it and just applying it. Like, this is, I think so, a perfect match for my skin tone. ये blend होने के बाद एकदम perfect लगता है मेरे skin के लिए. Camera the foundation is looking so white, but in real life it's not that white. It's so similar to my skin tone. So ये कैमरा की गलती है guys. Wait, मैं neck में लगाती हूँ, then I'll just get back to you guys. I have applied the foundation very well. In camera it's not looking that great, but I didn't like the concealer from this palette. Otherwise the corrector and the foundation is really good. But personally I didn't like the concealer that much. It's not that bad and it's not that good. It's like okay-ish. So yeah. So guys, let's move on to the next product. This is one of my favorite products from MyGlam. This is the MyGlam Tinted Up Lip and Cheek Stain. By the way, let me just put on a lip balm from MyGlam itself. So wait, here it is. So I'm going to be using this MyGlam Lit PH Lip Balm. It's a tinted lip balm which gives you a pink color and it smells really good. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Tinted Up Lip and Cheek Tint. This is my current favorite makeup product, by the way. I actually like this product a lot because I use it a lot. मैं कहीं पे भी जाती हूँ ना, I just put this and I'm just good to go. Like आजकल मुझे if I'm posting anything like मुझे जिसमें मेकअप नहीं करना है, I don't want to wear makeup but still I want to look presentable, I go with this product. I just put on a bit of moisturizer, then I just use my fingers and then blend it. I just love this blush a lot. This is a really good blush. I have one more blush from MyGlam, the K-Play one. Let me just show you. Wait, let me just blend it first. The thing that I want to say about this product is that I love this product. I love this product a lot. So this is the blush from MyGlam. This is the K-Play Peach Blush. This is a peach. Smells really good. It smells really good. This is also a very good blush. If you have not tried it, you should go for this one if you want like a powder blush. This is so pigmented and the color is really good. I think if you want like a peach blush, you should go for this MyGlam K-Play Peach. Okay guys, I'm done with the blush. I actually love this blush, the lip and cheek tint. You can go for this product. Like मैं बोलती हूँ ये खरीदो, बहुत अच्छा है ये, एंड ये आपको डिस्काउंट में भी मिल जाएगा. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दिस प्रोडक्ट इज आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. मुझे एक्चुअली 6 to 7 months वेट करना पड़ा इसे खरीदने के लिए, बिकॉज मुझे ये बहुत टाइम से लेना था बट हमेशा ये आउट ऑफ स्टॉक रहता था. बट जब ये आया मैंने जल्दी से ले लिया कि ये आउट ऑफ स्टॉक ना चला जाए. सो द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई एम यूजिंग इज द MyGlam setting powder. This is a translucent setting powder, which I love. Actually, if you are following me from a really long time, you might know I have used this product a lot. This is a translucent powder, so it's a big thumbs up. अगर आपको ज़्यादा शेड का झमेला नहीं करना, लाइक आपको बहुत दिक्कत होती है आपका परफेक्ट शेड फाइंड करने के लिए कॉम्पैक्ट में, so you can go with this one because this sets your makeup really nicely. Like if you don't know, मैं Maybelline का एक पाउडर यूज़ करती हूँ एक्चुअली. I love that Maybelline का सेटिंग पाउडर, बट मैं पहले सिर्फ वो यूज़ करती थी. I stopped using compact powders when I started using the Maybelline one, but then I ordered this powder from MyGlam, and yeah, then I started using this one because this is a really good setting powder. This sets your makeup really well and आपका makeup आराम से 5-6 घंटे टिक जाता है इससे. So yeah, I think you should buy this product. I think so. My base is looking really nice, except my under eyes because of the concealer. I didn't like that concealer. बस मुझे नहीं पसंद आया वो concealer. Otherwise, the foundation and the corrector is really good. I love the corrector. ऐसे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे, but not the concealer. So I'm just gonna be setting my face nicely because अगर आप अपना मेकअप सेट नहीं करते हो अच्छे से तो आप बहुत बड़ी गलती करते हो. तो मेक श्योर आपने अपना मेकअप बहुत अच्छे से सेट किया. बाय द वे, ये जो फाउंडेशन है बहुत लाइट कवरेज है. लाइक अगर आपको एवरीडे के लिए कोई पैलेट चाहिए देन यू कैन गो फॉर इट. लाइक all the products in this palette, the FF cream palette, are very light coverage. Like the concealer is so light coverage that I didn't like it, but the foundation is good for like everyday basis. If you go out every day and you want to put makeup every day, you can go with this one because it gives you a very light coverage and it looks really good. Next thing that I'm going to be using, which I actually love, you might have seen me using this product so many times. This is the MyGlam Pose HD Bronzer Duo. It comes up with 2 shades, like one is a bit lighter and one is like very dark. So yeah, I use the light one a lot and मुझे लगता है 2-3 साल चल जाएगा. Done with the contour. I am loving the contour because I love the contour. Except my concealer, I am loving everything so far. So yeah, now let's move on to a product that I hate. I don't like this product. This is the, wait, let me just show you. This is the MyGlam Magic Potion. It's a roll-on illuminator. I have not purchased this product. This was actually sent by MyGlam to me. This does nothing. Like अगर आप गलती से अपने मेकअप के ऊपर रोल ऑन कर लोगे, ये आपका पूरा बेस उतार देगा. Let me just show you guys. I just don't like this product. Can you see, like it has a lot of chunky glitters, which I personally don't like. I don't like chunky glitters for my highlighter. And this I didn't like it, and especially अगर आप इसकी क्वांटिटी देखोगे और इसका प्राइस पॉइंट देखोगे तो आप शायद नहीं खरीदना चाहोगे ये, क्योंकि दिस रिटेल्स फॉर ₹995 एंड इसकी क्वांटिटी सिर्फ 8 ml है एंड ये कुछ नहीं करता है, ये कुछ भी नहीं करता है. सो या इट्स बेसिकली वेस्ट ऑफ मनी. अगर आपको इसको यूज़ भी करना है ना, यू हैव टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ अमाउंट. बहुत आपको प्रोडक्ट लेना पड़ेगा आपके हाथों के पीछे. then you have to take it, then you have to put it wherever you want to if you want it to work. Otherwise ये नहीं चलता guys. मतलब this is like a product that I don't like. This is not even hyped, but I don't like this product personally. This was sent to me by MyGlam, but also I'll not recommend anyone I will not recommend anyone to buy this illuminator. Like it's a waste of money, like waste of money. Please don't buy this. मैं कहती हूँ मत खरीदना please. So let's move on to the eye makeup. I don't have any eyeshadow from MyGlam except this product. Let me just show you afterwards. So let's start with the eye makeup. I'm gonna be taking the bronzer duo, which I love. As I said, I'm gonna be taking this color and I'm gonna be using it as my transition color for my eye makeup. Using is the MyGlam lip and eye sparkles. I have not used it on my lips, but yeah, I have used it once on my eyes. उसके बाद मैंने यूज नहीं किया क्योंकि मैं भूल ही जाती हूँ that I have this product. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna be taking it on my hands. This is like a pure golden color, which I actually liked about this product. This is named as Regina. I'm taking it and patting it on the middle of my eyelids. Okay, can you see the pigmentation? It's a really good product by the way. But मैंने गलती कर दी बेस मेकअप पहले करके. मैं कहूँगी कि आप बेस बाद में करो if you are using this particular pigment, because can you see the fallout? It gives you a bit of fallout, but pigment mostly सारे pigments आपको fallout देते हैं, तो वो मेरे लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. fallout, it's okay. So guys, now let's move on to the eyebrows, and I'm using the MyGlam Lit Brow Definer pencil in the shade Shook. So yeah, first I'm gonna be just pulling my eyebrows. Eyebrows that much, but whenever I do, I use this pencil from MyGlam. This is like my favorite eyebrow product. So yeah, you can actually buy this product because this is a really nice one. So let me just tell you about the website. अब हम MyGlam की इतनी बातें कर ही रहे हैं तो मैंने ना फर्स्ट ऑर्डर MyGlam से प्लेस किया था कुछ 2020 में ही किया था मैंने. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ मुझे MyGlam यूज़ करते हुए. But the first product that I used from MyGlam was their lipstick and the contour actually. That was my first ever purchase from MyGlam. I purchased all this stuff on like August 2020 maybe. And मेरा impression बहुत अच्छा था because मुझे जो package था वो around 9 to 10 days में मिल गया था. Like अब तो MyGlam की डिलीवरी और भी फास्ट हो चुकी है. So I actually like that thing about MyGlam. Like that's a big thumbs up. अगर आपको बहुत जल्दी प्रोडक्ट चाहिए तो बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है MyGlam का प्रोडक्ट. So ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेता. I'm using this kajal pencil from MyGlam. This is MyGlam Lit Matte Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Savage. This is like a brown color. Let me just swatch it for you guys. Okay, this is a very nice brown color. This is like a purplish brownish color. So I'm just gonna be drawing a wing with it because I don't have any eyeliner from MyGlam. So yeah. Okay, so I This is in golden color. So today I'm going to be using it for my under eyes, like the waterline. I'm going to be using it for my waterline today. I've never used it for my waterline nor for my eyeliner. Like हाँ, eyeliner के लिए I've used it once, but already मैंने golden लगा रखा है तो ये appear नहीं कर पाएगा अच्छे से. तो मैं इसको आज waterline पे लगा के try करूँगी. I actually love MyGlam के pencils, like eye pencils, because they are really good. Okay, so it's very pigmented. Like आपको कैमरा में नहीं दिख रहा होगा, but I can see it in real life. Like बहुत ज़्यादा ही pigmented है. Okay, can you see it? Like this is a really good pencil from MyGlam. You can actually buy this color. This is the color on fleek. This is a golden color. Let me just swatch it for you guys. Can you see it? It's a very beautiful golden kajal. So next, for my waterline, I'm going to be using this kajal from Manish Malhotra range. It's a green kajal. Manish Malhotra kajal is actually very creamy. It glides like ऐसे glide होता है, तो बहुत अच्छा है इसका. ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I even have the black color, but मुझे वो अभी दिख नहीं रहा था, तो मैंने सोचा चलो ग्रीन ही कर लेते हैं. So now for the mascara, I'm going to be using the MyGlam Manish Malhotra mascara. This is one of my favorite mascara. Like I love this mascara a lot. This is a really good. I just can't talk when I am applying my mascara, so मैं बाद में बताती हूँ उसका review. This is like the first coat of the mascara. Can you see the second coat? Second coat में ये इतना अच्छा दे रहा है. तो this is one of my favorite mascara like I have ever used. I love using it. Like पहले इसको लगा लेती हूँ, then I use the Damn Girl mascara, but आज मैं नहीं use करूँगी क्योंकि मुझे ये ऐसे भी अच्छा लगता है. When I want like length वाले lashes, like बहुत length चाहिए होता है मुझे lashes में, तो then I use this one. गाइस अब मैंने हाइलाइटर लगा लिया है क्योंकि मुझे MyGlam वाला हाइलाइटर लगाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं था जो मेरे पास है मैजिक पोर्शन. मैंने सुना है कि उसका पोज वाला हाइलाइटर बहुत अच्छा है, बट मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया है, तो मैं कैसे बोल सकती हूँ अच्छा है. तो मैजिक पोर्शन मुझे यूज़ करने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं था क्योंकि मुझे मेरा मेकअप ख़राब नहीं करना था. तो या So now let's move on to the last product. So this is actually a new lipstick from MyGlam. तो पहले लिप लाइनर लगाएंगे. I'm using the MyGlam Lit Matte Lip Liner Pencil Pretty Mess. So मुझे एक चीज़ इसके eyeliner और इसमें बहुत मतलब वो होता है, मेरे पास ना बहुत सारे हैं ऐसे, ठीक है. लिप लाइनर्स के कलर्स भी मेरे पास बहुत है, ठीक है, MyGlam के. और मेरे पास लिप लाइनर 3-4 हैं एंड मेरे पास ये काजल पेंसिल भी बहुत है. तो ये पैकेजिंग इन्होंने सेम करके बहुत गलती की है. लाइक इवन वन टाइम एक बार ना मैं मेकअप कर रही थी, तो मुझे मेरे सामने ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट थे, तो मुझे मेकअप सेट करना था, तो मैंने गलती से अपने अंडर आइज में ब्रॉन्जर लगा लिया था. तो वो यूट्यूब वीडियो आज तक आ भी नहीं पाया मेरे चैनल पे. सो या आई एम गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग द शेड प्रिटी मेस टू लाइन माई लिप्स. I actually love lip liners from MyGlam. Pretty much color है ना, this goes with I think every lipstick. Like मैंने इस lip liner को almost अपनी सारी lipstick के साथ wear किया है almost. So yeah, this is like a very good nude lip liner. So yeah. Okay, lastly for the lipstick, I am gonna be using a new shade from MyGlam जो मैंने अभी recently order किया. This is the MyGlam Lip Stain Matte Lipstick in the shade The Good Wife. So it's a very pretty nudish color. I have not tried it, nor I have not even swatched it. So yeah, let's see कैसा color आता है. Okay, this is a very creamy lipstick. So guys, I'm loving the makeup look today because it's so different. मैं कभी ऐसा टाइप का लिप कलर नहीं लगाती, ना ही मैंने कभी ऐसा आई मेकअप किया है. So it's different for me. So yeah, this brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. I'll link it in the description box. Go follow right now. Bye.